Hey guys, Vaughn here with another awesome run rant, and yes, it's around noon, but it looks like it's the evening because it's winter, bitch. This run rant is on M&M'S and why they suck. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, Reese's Pieces are way better than M&M'S. Here's why. It's not that the chocolate isn't as good as Reese's peanut butter. It's that their M&M'S are so suspect. They have to keep jamming things inside of them. Totally ruin the integrity of the candy. Hey, this is only good if we add peanuts, peanut butter, caramel, rice. What name you? Reese's, they don't add anything to the pieces. They'll put the pieces in stuff, augmenting it, accentuating what it should taste like. Oh, also, getting rid of the tan M&M is a little bit racist. Why'd you have to drop tan for blue in 1995? There are no blue people. Tan people can't relate to the M&Ms now. This is the definition of insanity.
I know I'm a male, and I can't entice you to sign up for my Patreon with some skimpy cosplay photo shoot. So instead, how about bookmarking my Amazon influencer affiliate link? That way, whenever you shop Amazon, it tosses a coin to your Witcher. A popular Netflix reference makes me cool, right? No? Okay.